What I've got going right here is that I've got two bowls. One has just a bowl of clean water, and the other one is a dish of soapy water. And I've got some pepper, and I'm going to sprinkle some pepper in the big bowl here. This is clean water, putting the pepper in, and the pepper is hydrophobic, just like viruses are. So the water cares, nothing about it. It doesn't really mix. It just sits on top. It is hydrophobic. If I put my finger in, nothing really happens here. And now, actually, I start getting pepper on my finger. I don't have a lot of pepper in this water. Let me add a little bit more to give you the full deal. So I've got pepper now on my finger, and what I can do actually is put it in the soapy water, swish it around. Now I've got soap on my fingers. If I put that into the water, look how all of the pepper actually goes away from where my hands go into the water. Look at that. It sort of like expels it, right? Oh, there's a couple of things scientifically going on here. One is you're breaking the surface tension of the water, to get all technical. But really what's happening is that you can tell that the pepper and the soap does not mix, right? And so that's a great example of, why we need soap when we wash our hands. Water is not good enough. You need to use the soap when you wash your hands to make sure that you are definitely getting rid of all those germs. After the storm, the roads have been cleared. We're ready to get back out on the roads. Let's bring this car out actually into augmented reality and show you what I'm talking about. Because you hit the roads are clear, visibility looks great, right? You think there's no problem, but then you get behind this guy. You know, the one that doesn't clear the snow and the ice off of their roof? Well, all of a sudden, you've got little bits of snow and ice streaming off of the top of the vehicle. That affects your visibility. With this recent snowstorm, we got anywhere from, 6 inches to 10 inches to even 20 inches of snow and ice. And if you didn't clean off your car properly, now you've got slabs of snow and ice on top of the car. And it's an unstable situation, right? That snow came down yesterday. There's actually a little bit of ice on the bottom layer. And as you're driving, the air pushing forward against that knocks it off. And you've got this big slab of snow and ice basically just hurling through the air, about to hit your vehicle. You have to act fast, because this is going to happen fast, and you almost feel like it's working in slow motion, though. This is 4 feet by 4 inches. It's 100 pounds, and it hits your vehicle with 10 tons of force. I mean, look what happens. Your vehicle windshield is smashed. This is a very dangerous situation, and even little bits can break off and hit other vehicles. You need to pull over to the side of the road, put on your flashers, and then call for help. In a case like this, I think the real lesson learned here is, though, clean off your car ahead of time, right? Make sure you're not one of the ones leaving that big snow slab on top of your vehicle, and stay safe for the rest of this winter.